Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cool and unique Christmas tree. This is a 6.5-foot gold tree. Isn't that fun? So it actually has lights and it came with ornaments. So you've got a nice stand here, just the standard stand, so you can easily pack this up and make it go. It does come with an instruction guide as well. But I mean, you've got 3 different sections. You just put in your largest one first and go up from there. And then you plug it all in and you will be ready to go. So once we get this in here, you just tighten this all in and it will be ready to go. And then we just section it on from there. And we will have to connect in the lights as we go up, but isn't that fun? So I'm gonna get all these connected in. They do have, like I said, the little connectors to the next pieces up that we will just easily connect. I love how easy that is to find and see. So we'll slide that in, connect it all, and then we'll get some ornaments on it. All right, I've got this thing put together, and this is so contemporary and pretty, and you've got an awesome little star on there. I love these little ornaments. They kind of just tuck in there. I've been putting them on just the little lights so it holds on and you can have them in and out throughout the different one, but they look really neat. It just adds a lot of color, and with this lights on this gold shimmering off, that's amazing. Like, these aren't just falling off. Like, you can just run your hands right through this. Really impressed with the quality of this tree. It is really beautiful and would make a great addition to any home.